let's define the linear momentum. So linear momentum is the product of mass and the system's velocity. So let's take one example over here. Say we have one mass m1, I would say 2 kilogram. It is moving along the x-axis with velocity 5 meter per second. Then based on this definition, I can write px equals to m1 times px, which equals 2 kilogram times 5 meter per second. That gives me 10 kilogram meter per second. So here px is the linear momentum of mass m1 along x-axis. Okay. Say we have another mass m2, which still has the same mass 2 kilogram, but this time this object is moving along y-axis. Say it has v by equals again 5 meter per second. So I could write here py, which equals m2 times py, which equals 2 kilogram times 5 meter per second. That equals again 10 kilogram meter per second. So one thing important we have to note is that p this momentum px and py, these two factors, if you consider these are the factors, have same magnitude, which is 10, but different direction. Okay. That tells us clearly that vector px is not same as vector py, but their values, positive values, which call it magnitude, px equals py, this will be the same. Okay. So let's go to the next example. One example is here. So calculate the momentum of 120 kilogram football player. So I will write all these informations here at first. M1 is 120 and B1 times 120 times 7. That gives me 840 kilogram meter per second. Okay. The momentum of the ball equals m2 times v2, which equals 0.415 times 24, which gives me 9.96 kilogram meter per second. Our question is to compare. Okay, so compare means we have to find the momentum of the player, P player, over, this is the ratio, momentum of the ball, P ball. Okay, so we have both of these. Momentum of the player, which is 840, and momentum of the ball is 9.96, which gives me 84.4 3, 4. Be careful that this is the ratio, so this is a pure number, no unit. Be careful about that. The unit here, for example, the unit is 840 kilogram meter per second. This is also kilogram meter per second. And this cancel out that. So this is a pure number. Based on that, based on this concept, you can practice the problem, this problem. Okay. So they give you total momentum. They give you x component. We have to find the y component and this angle theta.